Okay, let's be honest for a second. The best sewing machine for home is not always the flashy touchscreen model everyone online keeps hyping up. A lot of that stuff looks cool in ads, but in real life, half of it is unnecessary, overpriced, or just plain annoying to use. Today, I'm cutting through the noise and showing you sewing machines that actually do the job. Machines that can chew through denim, handle thick quilts, and still give you clean, beautiful stitches on delicate fabrics. If you've been searching for the best sewing machine for home use and don't want to waste money on the wrong one, this video will save you a lot of frustration. By the end, you'll know exactly which machine fits your projects, your skill level, and your budget. Let's jump in. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is basically the no-nonsense workhorse of home sewing machines. This thing feels like it was built to survive anything you throw at it. No touchscreen, no complicated menus, just knobs, a pedal, and pure mechanical power. It has a seriously strong motor, much stronger than most standard home machines. That means it can handle denim, canvas, upholstery fabric, and even thin leather without struggling. It can sew up to about 1,100 stitches per minute, which is extremely fast for a home machine. Yes, it's louder than modern computerized models, but that sound actually reminds you that this machine means business. The front-loading metal bobbin system is incredibly reliable, and once you get used to it, it rarely gives you tension issues. You get adjustable stitch length and width, straight stitches, zigzags, basic decorative stitches, and a solid 4-step buttonhole that works consistently. One of the biggest advantages is the adjustable presser foot pressure, which lets you switch between light fabrics and heavier layers without skipped stitches. The feed dogs grip fabric aggressively and evenly, which is great for beginners and heavy projects. The stainless steel bed plate helps fabric glide smoothly, the frame is mostly metal, and vibration stays surprisingly low even at high speeds. You also get a working automatic needle threader, easy manual tension control, good pedal speed response, and compatibility with standard needles. Setup is fast, and everything feels straightforward. At around $180 to $200, this machine is an absolute steal. If you want something simple, powerful, and built to last without digital complications, this is one of the best choices for home sewing. Number 4. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X is the tech-friendly option that still stays practical. It's computerized, but not intimidating, and it's perfect if you want convenience without sacrificing reliability. The electronically controlled motor keeps stitches smooth and consistent, especially at slower speeds, which is incredibly helpful for detailed work and corners. It tops out around 750 stitches per minute, slower than the Singer, but much quieter and more controlled. You get 70 built-in stitches, including utility, stretch, quilting, decorative, and multiple one-step buttonholes. The top-loading bobbin system is easy to thread and keeps tension stable. The automatic needle threader works reliably, and the adjustable presser foot pressure lets you work with everything from lightweight fabrics to heavier cottons. It comes with a generous set of presser feet, including a walking foot and quilting foot, plus a snap-on extension table for larger projects like quilts and curtains. Other highlights include a speed limiter for beginners, bright LED lighting, low vibration, metal reinforcement in the frame, built-in accessory storage, and a very intuitive learning curve. Priced around $200 to $250, this is one of the best value computerized sewing machines for home use. It's smooth, forgiving, and great for growing your skills over time. Number 3. Bernett B77. This is where home sewing starts to feel truly professional. The Bernett B77 is a serious upgrade and absolutely loaded with features. Its dual feed system pulls fabric evenly from the top and bottom, keeping stitches perfect on slippery fabrics, thick quilts, or layered materials. You get 500 built-in stitches, fully adjustable, plus 17 one-step buttonholes. The full-color touchscreen isn't just flashy, it actually recommends stitch settings, presser feet, and adjustments based on your fabric, which helps you get professional results without guessing. The mostly metal internal frame keeps vibration extremely low, even at high speeds. You also get a knee lifter, a foot-operated thread trimmer, a massive extension table, drop feed for free motion quilting, and bright LED lighting. Yes, it's expensive, around $800 to $900, but if you're serious about sewing and want a machine that feels truly premium, this one delivers on every level. Number 2. JUKI TL-2000Qi. This machine is a legend for a reason. The JUKI TL-2000Qi is a semi-industrial straight-stitch powerhouse designed for precision, speed, and durability. It only does straight stitches, but what it does exceptionally well. With a high-torque motor and micro-computer control, it delivers flawless stitches, even through thick layers at slow speeds. It can reach up to 1,500 stitches per minute, which is insane for home use. The all-metal frame keeps it rock solid, vibration is minimal, and long sewing sessions feel effortless. You get a knee lifter, foot-operated thread trimmer, massive extension table, drop feed for free motion quilting, and bright LED lighting. This machine is built for years of heavy use, and it shows in every detail. At $700 to $800, it's an investment, but if you quilt, sew garments, or work with heavy fabrics regularly, this machine is a dream. Number 1. Janome MC6550. This is the crown jewel. The Janome MC6550 delivers professional performance in a home-friendly package. Its powerful motor combined with Janome's superior feed system plus keeps fabric feeding perfectly no matter what you're sewing. It handles silk, denim, canvas, and thick quilts with equal confidence. You get 170 built-in stitches, including alphabets, with automatic tension and full adjustability. The wide metal flatbed provides stability for large projects, while bright LED lights eliminate shadows. Features like one-touch needle plate conversion, independent bobbin winding, automatic needle threading, stitch memory, drop feed, and a massive extension table make this machine incredibly efficient. Everything about it feels refined, smooth, and rock solid. At $1,100 to $1,200, it's not cheap, but if you want one machine that can do everything at a high level, this is it. And that wraps up my picks for the best sewing machines for home use. From rugged workhorses to near professional monsters, these are machines that actually deliver and won't leave you frustrated. If you're still deciding, check the links in the description for current prices and full specs. Let me know in the comments, what machine are you using right now, or which one are you thinking about getting? If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.